What's up, guys? Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 2005 Kawasaki ZZR 600. This thing's got a Yosh exhaust. This bike's not in perfect shape, but it's a great first starter bike, first sport bike for somebody, like real super sport. It's got some scuffs right there on the handle. Tires are in decent shape, guys. Got some tread, life. Let's look here. Okay. Here's a couple issues. We got a little bit of a duct taping around, or electrical taping around the turn signal. Not a huge deal. That's a very easy way to fix a turn signal, and a lot of people do it. Have a little scuffing on the bars, a little scuffing on the mirror. You know, it's an 05. It's been ridden. What do you expect? This is the tread on the tire. It looks pretty good to me. Front fender looks good. Okay, this side has some. I think these are all mostly bugs. Let's see here. Now it's got some, it's got some chips. It's got some scratches right there. Got a couple chips. Some scrapes down there on that casing. A little scrape on the peg there. Scuff right there. Scuffs on that ZZR logo. Sorry about this humidity. I meant to do it in a video before. It's crazy. It does just have the race fuel cap. It basically just screws on and off. No key, nothing. I don't think in today's era people are stealing your gas. 7,403 miles on it, but it fires up right away. Runs pretty good, guys. Showed you all the imperfections on the other side. Got a cut, got some similar stuff up here on the tank, just some scuffs and stuff, some chips. It's an 05 with miles, not that many miles on it, but it's lived a life. Not a huge deal. It's gonna be super cheap, guys. Like I said, 2005 Kawasaki ZZR 600. Let me know if something you're interested in. I can ship it to you. It's got good tread on the tires. It's a great first super sport for somebody. Let me know if something interested, guys. Make sure to check out the test drive video on this bike. Thanks so much for watching, guys.